to Genex's live stream. Today, as you can see, we have Genex 2 out on the launch pad here. If you remember from yesterday, we did not have a successful launch as we had an anomaly mid-flight that caused the rocket to swerve left and right. So, we're hoping that Genex 2 can overcome this explosion. We do have a few upgrades on Genex 2 today. As you can see, we have those fins here. We have an engine skirt and those 4 modern landing legs. And we have it gives it a bit more aerodynamic. We also have it a bit more aerodynamic at the top right there, as you can see. So let's go ahead and wait a few seconds because it will launch in a second here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition, lift off, and there goes Genex 2. Now this will only last a few seconds, maybe a minute or so, because this is just going to be a quick hop for RSX's Genex 2. We had a successful liftoff just now, and now it is falling back to the surface. And it looks like it's gliding pretty smoothly. Not gliding, but hovering. Alrighty, here it comes. It's coming back in. Engine's turned off there for a second. That seems fine. Oh, that wasn't the best right there for Genex, but it's still holding on. Don't leave the stream yet. Here it goes. There it goes. And what? Okay, we had a successful touchdown, and then it looked like our engines throttled up all the way. So we're going to have to come down and hover for another landing here. I think the problem is that I think the computer thought to throttle all the way up and not throttle all the way down. There we go. Throttle all the way up, and again, that is not good. Looks like we're going to have to perform a few landing attempts here. This isn't looking good for Genex 2. But again, don't leave yet, because that doesn't mean that it won't be successful. And instead of our engines throttling up a little bit, they keep going up all the way. Oh, there it goes. Falling back down again. Hopefully our computers can save it this time. There it goes, coming in for the launch pad, and no, our computers throttle all the way up again. Alrighty, it looks like we're coming down again. Engine ignition, and alright. There it goes, and can our computers do it? We're getting real close to the ground there, and no! We had a touchdown for it, and oh wait, comes back in. And there it goes. We almost had a successful landing there for Genex 2. It looks like we came in a bit sideways, and not all launches can go great. As you could tell, we had A few malfunctions with the computers there. A bit of pilot error as well. We could see that every time we touched down smoothly, instead of throttling all the way down, it would throttle all the way up. So hopefully Genex 3 can fix this problem. Stay tuned till tomorrow, because that's when Genex 3 will launch. And thank you for watching the Genex livestream.